Today, we're reviewing the Shure MV88 Plus digital stereo condenser microphone, a top choice for professional audio recording. First off, let's talk about the high-quality audio recording. Users rave about the excellent audio quality this microphone provides. It's perfect for podcasts, music, and field recordings, capturing clear and detailed sound. One of the standout features is its iOS and USB-C compatibility. The MV88 Plus comes with both Lightning and USB-C cables, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones and Android phones. This flexibility is highly valued by users with multiple devices. Another point worth mentioning is the user-friendly apps. The Shure Motive app allows you to easily adjust settings, record, edit, and share your audio. This enhances the overall user experience, making it accessible even for beginners. Real-time monitoring is another great feature. The headphone jack lets you monitor your recordings as they happen, ensuring the audio quality is just right and allowing you to make adjustments on the fly. The microphone offers a wide frequency response, covering a broad range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. This is particularly beneficial for capturing the full spectrum of sound, whether you're recording musical instruments or vocals. The MV88 Plus also features adjustable polar patterns. You can choose from different patterns such as cardioid, bidirectional, or stereo to suit your recording environment and needs. This versatility is crucial for different recording scenarios. One of the best aspects of the MV88 Plus is its easy setup and use. It's a plug-and-play device, so you can start recording quickly without any hassle. This convenience is often highlighted as a significant advantage. Finally, the included accessories like the windshield and mount add to the microphone's functionality. The windshield helps reduce wind noise, and the mount ensures stable recordings, enhancing the overall recording experience. The Shure MV88 Plus is built to last with its sturdy metal construction. This durability is crucial for frequent use and travel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of on-the-go recording. The microphone's portability and versatility are also major highlights. Its compact design and included accessories like the Manfrotto Pixie tripod make it easy to set up and transport. Whether you're recording at home or in the field, this microphone fits seamlessly into various setups. Overall, the Shure MV88 Plus digital stereo condenser microphone is a reliable and high-quality choice for anyone looking to capture professional audio. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or journalist, this microphone has everything you need for top-notch recordings.